Hey everyone, it's Sharone with Heliotis.com. How are you? So I've got a quick tip for you on how to restyle that black t-shirt for yet another Zoom meeting. So the best thing about this quick tip is that you only have to wear it when you need to, and then you can take it all off as soon as your meeting ends and be right back in that comfortable t-shirt. So it's two parts to this style hack. And I love style hacks. So this is a skinny belt. It's a metallic chain belt. First thing I'm going to do is wrap it around twice around my neck, and then I'm going to thread it through. This is a little bit of an edgy look, but I love edgy looks. And, you know, Zoom meetings don't last forever, so you can be experimenting with different looks. Okay, so belt is a choker. Next, I'm going to take one of my favorite scarves. This is a large square scarf, and you want to fold it into a triangle, and then in the center, tie a single knot. Okay, wrap it around your neck and start twisting until it's fairly tight. Then tie a single knot and keep twisting it around to the desired length. Rotate till you have your knot at one side asymmetrical. I also like asymmetrical things. And then with one end, just tie it off. Tie a knot in the end, and then you're done. So you have a quick look. Didn't cost you anything. Change up the look of your t-shirt, and then you go and you do your Zoom meeting, you look good, then when it's all done, you can take it all off. So look for this and other style videos on Heliotis.com. So stay stylish and sun safe, my friends.